Tim's garage and we are going to do some cool stuff today. Me, what are we doing? What's on
I'm
fire?
trying to get the GoPro working. No, we're going to do some a couple of additions to the board. So Glenn, the man behind the camera, came bearing gifts. So we're going to attach this puppy, and we're also going to put a back on it so that we can put in some hangers and one of those plastic things. So yeah, that's the plan today.
Alright Timmy, your backboard's done.
Backboard's done. Got some stuff hanging. So looking like a real workbench. Now to fit the vise. So we're going to try and get as close to the edge as we can, obviously, so that we've got clearance of the actual bench. And yeah, so we're just going to bolt it in. A couple of heavy duty screws to go into the wooden framework. And some washers on here to hold it, and that should work.